Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you Google ADK Review 2025. So basically, Google's Agent Development Kit is an open source code first Python and Java framework for building and deploying multi-agent AI systems. Originally announced at Google Cloud Next 25, it powers internal Google services like Agent Space and offers native integration with Google Cloud tools such as Gemini models, Vertex AI Agent Engine, and application integration connectors. It's production ready from the start, built-in CLI or UI for evaluation, and easy deployment to Vertex AI or Cloud Run. Multi-agent collaboration pattern support for sequential pipelines, parallel fan-outs, looped workflows, review styles, and dynamic delegation. ADK is an excellent fit if you need to build production-grade multi-agent systems and want structured workflows, evaluation pipelines, and fine-grained control over agent execution. If you are building full-scale agent systems on Google Cloud with structured workflows, compliance requirements, and the need for enterprise integration, ADK is engineered for scale, control, and maintenance. Google ADK is a robust, enterprise-ready multi-agent framework well worth integrating if your long-term use case demands structured, scalable agents aligned with Google Cloud infrastructure. So basically, this is Google ADK Review 2025. If you found this video helpful, then leave a like on video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.